Hello everyone, I am the student of Bombay Teachers Training College and in today's video we will learn about scientific toys. So let's get started. What do we mean by scientific toys? Scientific toys are educational toys designed to encourage learning and exploration of scientific concepts and principles in a playful and engaging way. These toys are typically created with the intention of fostering curiosity, problem-solving skills, and a deeper understanding of the natural world. Scientific toys cover a wide range of scientific disciplines including physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, geology, and more. They are often used to introduce young learners to science and can also be enjoyed by individuals of all ages who have an interest in scientific exploration. The scientific toy that I have prepared is called as Wire Buzz Game. The aim behind making this Wire Buzz game is to make students understand what is an electric circuit and how does current flows through it. What is a circuit? A circuit is a closed path or loop around which electricity flows. A circuit is usually made by linking electrical components together with pieces of wire cable. What is a current? Current is defined as the flow of electrons in an electric circuit. The flow of electrons occur due to potential differences. The current is also known as the rate of change of charge with time. If we compare these two pictures, in the first picture you can see that the bulb is glowing and in the second picture the bulb is not glowing. This is because the first picture shows a closed circuit and the second picture shows an open circuit. What is a closed circuit? Closed circuit means when we put on the switch, the current in the circuit starts to flow. That is, the current from the battery flows till the bulb, which makes the bulb glow. On the other hand, if we put off the switch, the flow of the current in the circuit stops. That is, the current from the battery does not flow. It does not reach the bulb, so the bulb cannot be glowed. The unit of current is ampere. The symbol used for current is capital I, and the formula of current is derived from the Ohm's law. That is, current is equal to voltage upon resistance. I is equal to V upon R. The materials that will be required to make a wire buzz game are copper wire, an empty container, buzzer, light, insulated wires, wire wand to make a loop, battery, glue, electrical tape. First, take the empty container of any size and according to the size of the container, you have to prepare the maze. For the maze, you can twist the copper wire of your own design to increase the complexity. Here, I have taken the normal horizontal and vertical design so that it could be easier for the students of the lower class to complete the cycle and understand the flow of current. You can use your own creativity to make your own wire buzz game. The second step is to prepare a loop band. For the loop band, you need to take a copper wire and make a loop from one of its end as shown in the picture, and this will be used to move it around the maze that you have prepared in the first step. Start by identifying the positive and negative side of all components. Look for positive sign and negative signs that marks the positive and negative sides. Red wires indicate positive and black wire indicates negative. Connect the negative side of your power source or the black wire of your battery holder to your wire maze. First, make the hole of the same size as the maze diameter, then insert the black wire in the hole before inserting the maze in the baseboard. Connect the positive side of your power source, the red wire of the battery holder and the red wire of the buzzer together and to one side of the lamp holder, that is your light. Connect the black wire of the buzzer to the other side of the lamp holder and then to the loop vent. When the circle is not complete, it is called an open circuit. The electrical equipment does not work in an open circuit. When the circle is complete, electric current can travel from one point of the circle around the loop back to the same point. It is called a closed circuit. The equipment works in a closed circuit. The objective of the game is that it is a challenging and a competitive game. Students will learn about the electric circuit and how current flows through this circuit and can create their own wire buzz game depending on their creativity and complexity level. The objective of the game is to carefully move the wire band loop along the copper wire maze without touching it. When the loop touches the wire, you will hear a buzz. The goal is to be fast and at the same time to be efficient, having the least amount of touches. This game can improve your concentration level as this game requires more of concentration so that you complete the maze without having more number of error. I hope that this video was helpful in making you all understand what are scientific toys and how a current flows through a circuit, what is an electric circuit. Thanks for watching.